Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove Instagram Reels or Notes. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, now we will be needing just to go to our Instagram application and then we will need just to disable the notes from our Instagram. And basically, to do so, you will need just to go to your profile by clicking on the profile icon. And after that, we will be needing just to go to the settings and activity. So here we are in settings and activity. Now we need just to scroll down and basically here we will find many sections. This one is how you use Instagram, this section for professionals who can see your content, and the one that we are interested in is how others can interact with you. And basically here we will see this one, and basically those are the settings for messages and stories reply. Either you can allow people to reply your stories or not, and this one concerning the tags and mention. And let's just go back again, and here we can see the comments and see if you can allow people to comment your reels, or you can block comments from some people if you want to ban them, etc. And those are some feature for limiting interaction. But the one that we are interested in is the tags and mention and sharing and use. So from here, you can allow tags from everyone, you allow mentions, etc. Now we need just to go to sharing and reuse. And basically here, we will find allow people to add notes to your content. So basically, if you want to disable the content, the notes from your Instagram content, you will need just to make that disable it. And now people want to be able to start adding notes on your content. And of course, you can also start limiting people from reading your content and specifically posts or reels. You can also disable the downloads for your content, etc. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.